Good morning, good morning, good traders. We will be taking a look at the market this morning and see what we have for the day. Let's see how it's going to go today. Yesterday we didn't get a lot of trades, or rather we didn't get any trades actually. We had some good missed setups, and that kind of took its toll on us, but that's the nature of the game. So today, let me just see which trades we looked at yesterday and also what happened with the pairs. Okay, let's see. We had this one. Let's see. Oh, I think I did this one last night. But yeah, we had this one. Oh, and also let's just watch out for the news today. We don't trade crude oil, so yeah, no, that's fine. Okay. So this position yesterday, I'm actually not sure how we got to this, but if you watch the stream again and go back to our analysis of this pair, you will see we did the pair and then we used these order blocks at the top, and yeah, price just never got there. I mean, that's what happens. Okay, and then this is probably going to be a short stream today, but we will see what we can cover. And what else? Okay, cool. That's this one. I'm still very short bias for this pair, and it seems to be playing around this area now, consolidating here. If you take a look at the zone here, there seems to be a bit of a consolidation there, of course, creating liquidity at the top here, creating liquidity there, and also creating some liquidity at the bottom. Yeah, on top of what's been happening here. So we most probably will be seeing price still go up, grab some liquidity, take that high, go down. That's what I'm anticipating for the first bias. And then the second bias, it will be to go up and actually take this or close half of this imbalance and potentially come down again to grab these. So we're still short bias for this position, and we'll see how it plays out. The areas of entry, we should leave it as is, because we try to drop it down to this level here. This level here, we will be seeing us having a wider stop, which is pretty unnecessary. I would rather leave the trade. So that's where the chain of thought is. Okay, so this pair is, yeah, I'm gonna leave this pair as is. Also keep on the watch list. Yeah, let me just remove these two, and then yeah, I'm gonna go down to gold as well. So gold, I posted gold yesterday, and it looks like it did exactly what I said it would. Let me just open my Discord here and just go to my notes, go to my journal, and just see, did I even post it on my journal? No, I didn't. Okay, so I'll go to my VIP channel, and I think I posted it on the free channel as well. Yeah, gold spot. So yeah, whoever got this, pretty good. Just gonna go to the one now. The entry point was 1909.028. Sorry about that. Let's see if anybody got this position. I was Not in the market. Not in the market at the time. It's literally closed off when I actually posted the position. So the entry point was 1908. Yeah, so let me just go back to the 15 and the 5 minute. I don't know who got this. So hopefully somebody will post and tell us that they got this position. So ideally, this would have, sorry about that. So ideally, this would have hit your stop and then you would have been triggered with this position. Or let me just scroll down to my numbers here quickly and just see what happened in this level. Actually wouldn't have hit your stop. If you're trading with us, you will see just how we manage these trades. Okay, there we go. So you would have been triggered here if you're using the 5 minute. You would have been triggered here, hit a stop loss, or triggered here, then went down all the way to the 1 to 2.8, 2.9. Yeah, well, you weren't gonna adjust this position, but yeah, okay, so hit a stop loss here on this position, and then trade number 2 you'd have been triggered here again at this level, and then yeah, made some pretty good moves. So I'm not sure who got this, but yeah, it does count as a very nice trade. So let's just see how far it went. 1 to 20. Yep. 1 to 20 on this position. And somebody actually told me that they are buyer bias for that position. So let me just take a screenshot for this. And then, yeah, I just posted as well. I missed the trade, unfortunately. But hey, whoever was trading at that time really got it. And it triggered at just before the Asian Open. Or whoever tanked with it got some really nice moves on it. But yeah, so that's gold. 1 to 20, pretty good. Probably got at 1 to 10, but yeah, that's it. Beauty. If you got that trade, you should ignore. So yeah, let me just post here. Trade 2. Okay. Let me just take a look at that comment here quickly and see how it went. Well, my view on it was that I'm gonna be stalking the price, which did not happen. But that's the nature of the game. You will miss some pretty good trades. You will get some pretty good trades. So, yeah. Okay. Okay, so that's gone. I'm gonna start with it, but it's gone. Yeah, it's gone, guys. It's gone. Anyway, on to the next one. Arcade. So this one I'm still by bias. I am still looking at going up with this. Just hold on for a second. I just need to check something quickly. Okay, now I'm back again. So with the ORCAD, I was looking at it last night, and I'm still biased for this pair based on this liquidity areas, the next point of interest, and below we are not seeing much. So I'm still biased on this one. I'll leave it and allow it to come down first, and then just see how we can enter that position. Okay. And then let's see what we have here. So I'm going to put on my watch list for the day. Okay, and then we've got the AD Swiss franc. We are also watching this, but you can see how interesting this liquidity was grabbed here. And then now there's an area here that is just very unnecessary. But yeah, it is an area we'll be watching and see if we'll be able to get some nice trades, whether it's intraday or anything else. We'll see how that goes. And then the UDUSD. Oh, guys, don't forget to subscribe and like, of course. I mean, that's why we're doing this at the end of the day. We're showing some knowledge, getting publicity for the channel, for our trading, and of course, exposing people to different ways of trading. Okay. This one, I think I skipped it. Yeah. There's a nice sensitivity zone here. I'm just going to share it with you guys quickly. It's a sensitive zone here. So if something is going to happen, it will be happening from the zones. Whether it's an up move or a down move, but there's just way too much happening. Because of this and that and that, I would not get into this position. Okay, so this pair we're just going to leave as is. And on to the next pair. The CAD Swiss franc, we've got a nice or a neat area here that we can potentially get into. We see there's something happening there. I'm just going to show you guys something quickly. And then there's this area here at the top. I'm looking at the file, by the way, guys. I'm looking at the file. I'll scroll back to the 1 hour shortly. Okay, so that's something we're working with. And then this is how it looks on the daily. And then on the daily, we've got a nice zone here. Let me just use this quickly. Remember, guys, these zones are very subjective, so don't mind me scribbling on the screens here. And yeah, okay. So on the daily, this is how it looks. And then on the 4 hour, so I'm looking for a short position with this one. And then on the 4 I just showed you now how it looks. And then let's see what we've got. I just hold on for a second. I'm just making some notes here and there. Okay. Okay, this is where we are. Okay, so let's see how this plays out. Okay, so my mind is a bit all over the place this morning, focusing on too many things at the same time. Apologies about that. But yeah, okay. Let's continue. So I did some looking for a short for this pair. Let's scroll down to the 1 hour, see what's happening on the 1 hour. Okay, I will still see a bit of a huge imbalance here. It was, sorry about that, mitigated a bit, but not enough. We see this area here where there is a lot of activity that's happening. Okay, there we go. So this one here, that'll probably be my area where I'm a bit concerned. Okay, let's see. Looking at that, I'll target this area here, or half of this, but my end would be the concern. It'll be the concern. There's a lot happening here, but okay, let's look at this. So with this pair, I'll look at something like this. I'll probably refine my entry, of course, which I will do for the VIP guys there. And then, well, not VIP, but the premium channel. All of you are VIP guys, so don't take that to heart. Okay, so I would look at a position like this. So either come here, trigger my entry, probably get a couple of pips while it retraces a bit, or to the top and down. But at this level here, I will definitely sell. But I'm going to start looking at this one first, and then we'll see if that one works out. And then from there, we'll definitely take a look at that drop all the way down. Okay. Okay. I'm also having my coffee here, so that'll definitely keep me awake. Awesome. And then just mark this. We're going to drop down to the 15 minutes on this one, so that look at that. Okay. Okay, so let's see where I would want to enter. Probably use this candle here. Let me just change that. I like red for this. And then I'm going to keep it like that. And then drop down to the 15, to the 5 actually. I'm going to zoom into this pair. And then that's where we are. Looking at that candle there. We could refine it a bit further, but now that would make sure you stick to the charts and keep on the charts. So it's either keep it like this, or you get in and then you squeeze in that entry point right here. Okay, so going back to the 1 hour or the 4 hours. Okay. So we'd have our entry somewhere here, and I'll stop just above here. and then we'll be targeting this area at first, and then this area secondly. So this is how we would look at this pair. I'm just gonna put in this one right here, and then put that right here, and then create an alert close to it, because we don't do limit orders. Guys, any questions that you may have, just drop them on the side there, and don't forget to subscribe and like and comment if we're talking crap. Yeah, there we go. Okay, so the second trade I'll definitely look at a later stage. Yeah, so this is the position that we'll be looking at for this pair. I want to post it now, so if it happens now, people will catch it, because now if they wait for me to finish my morning analysis, they'll probably miss the trade. Okay, so this is where we are. There we go. There we go. Okay. I need to comment on this actually. Let's see. Okay, and then ADJPY is the next pair. I completed this one last night, and yeah, it was not as interesting as I'd have wanted it to be. But yeah, these are the entry levels I'm looking at here and here, and targeting this zone here at the bottom. And I can see there's a liquidity at the bottom that's been created just now. Probably gonna get taken. I think I just showed you this one actually, but I'm still expecting price to go up and then come back down. Okay, still a bit fast, so I wouldn't put an alert on this one. I'll probably keep watching it as the market goes today, but we should be getting some good moves today. So yeah, I'm also still sell bias on it. I will keep it on the watch list. Okay, JPY. Oh man, I think I missed this one. Yep, I definitely did. I don't know who caught this. Whoever watched yesterday's session, watch this. But what I am gonna do is create an alert in the middle of price there, in the middle of that zone, my stop level range, and then leave my entry point as is. Sorry about that. So I should be looking to get into a trade here. Going down, of course. Let's catch up. If somebody did get it, bravo, man, bravo. You are definitely watching and focusing on the channel more than the people that are actually creating the channel. So bravo to you. Because whoever did that probably got a nice 1 to 2.4. It doesn't hit our first level of entry, our first level of interest. Oh, actually got out here. Let's see. There we go, 2.5. But we're still targeting the bottom there. So I'd want to be triggered into this trade. I want to take out these zones here. Take this out, of course. Probably also take this out. And then come back and trigger my entry with trigger my entry, of course, and then going back down. So this is a position I'm definitely exploring, and we'll be watching how it progresses in the day. I'll also drop this on my Telegram, of course, and just see how far it goes. There we go. There we go. So if you caught our positions this week, We hit 1 to 45, 1 to 24, 1 to 10, and this 1 to 20 now. So 4 fantastic trades for this week, and we could probably end it. I missed this one this morning, and I think the 1 to 45 I got it. I didn't trail it, so I got up to 1 to 8, and then 10% of my trade just kept running, and yeah, I closed it when I got back at the London close. So yeah, that's the name of the game. Okay, I posted this one here now. Okay, JPY, see how it works out. Forward there as well, and then I'm gonna drop it here on this nice community here, Trading Nut, and then let's see how it goes. So I think those are the only trades that I will be giving away today. Moving on, I will be switching and focusing on the rest of the pairs and the entries. So yeah, so if you got these, some of the trades are from some of the analysis from yesterday, so you can also watch yesterday's stream, and then yeah, you could get in and we'll take it from there. So what I'm also exploring moving forward is these ones here. So these moves, there's some pretty nice trades in the lower time frames. These moves that we could probably even catch and work on. I'm still back testing and still working on it and still seeing how I can take advantage of these ones. But until then, just hold on tight, and yeah, so we'll probably get more positions, more neat ones. But anything below 1 to 15, 1 to 10, I am not interested. I mean, I have my first TP at 1 to 3, so I'm targeting a 50% win rate. Hopefully getting 5 trades a week. I should be good. But until then, let's just keep mastering. So this one we're still watching, still hitting the, focusing on the long, and we're also watching here. We're practically watching all these pairs. I mean, literally, I mean, I'll do a stream on some of the pairs, and then in the day send something totally different. Okay, so this is still here. I wanted to get onto that level, and then we'll see how it goes. I'm just gonna put an alert on this one here, the ECAD, and then EJ. We missed that one yesterday, and then NJ. Yeah, I'm not liking this. This is a very massive imbalance, which will probably be filled, and then take off from there, taking some liquidity that's still creating on this level. So yeah, that's where we are with this trade, all this idea, see how it works out, and then potentially get into a long position from within this area. So yeah, that's where we're gonna focus for this one. And then EN. I see beauty coming here. Okay, so we are done for the stream. Anything else, you can catch it on our free channel, or just get onto our website and check out what we have there. Any comments, any questions, just drop them now so I can just take a look, and then we'll take it from there. So we should have some nice moves today. Okay. Awesome, guys. This was a short stream. We covered quite a few pairs. There's still a number of them that I'll be looking at, and then I'll be getting back into these zones and pick up some entry point specific points to look at and how to trade them, and post some of them and leave some of them for the premium channel and taking it from there. Awesome, guys. Enjoy your day.